We're eager to get this fan fixed up. I think it's too heavy.
It's blowing air.
Hoeing that dirt. This part cracked.
Yeah.
It is not tall people friendly. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. We are still working on the van, fixing the things that have broken and need repair. It's been a cold, long winter. The cold and snow really makes it hard to work on the van. So we've kind of been putting it off until now that it's starting to warm up a bit. The snow is melting. We did just have a blizzard. It's going away now. My eye has been itching because I've been doing a lot of cat sitting, and some cats I'm allergic to and some I'm not. So my eye has been really itching. We're eager to get this van fixed up.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, baby. So we got the checklist here, and we can check this one off. So now we're gonna work on, it's not really on here, but I need to clean the shower. We finished the shower floor, and now I'm gonna clean the rest of it so that I can use what we painted the floor with to paint this, because it has yellowed over time, gotten dirty, and there's no way to clean it. We're just gonna make it look a little better. And then what else are we gonna work on?
Well, we might have to order a few things. The lights, we might have to order the control panel, because I think that's the thing that's malfunctioning. We also probably have to order the MaxxAir Fan motherboard. That might be the cause of the problem, why it's not turning on, because all the fuses, they look great. They're not busted in any way. Once you do the walls, we get install the toilet and also that new sealant that you got.
Yeah, we'll clean the toilet as well and put a new seal on it and put it back in the shower.
Yeah.
The bathroom. We also need to get a new shower head. So we're gonna clean this first, paint it, let it dry, and then clean that, put the seal on, and put it back in. And meanwhile, we're gonna order all the parts for everything else.
Yeah, hopefully everything kind of works out really well.
Yeah, the heater's on, it's working, so that's good.
Yeah, it's been a couple of weeks since we ran it, but it's good to circulate that heater to get it going and everything.
We gotta run it every couple weeks at least to make sure there's no carbon buildup and make sure it's working.
Yes.
We got the snow packing us in.
Yeah, a little bit of blue right there.
I wonder if we could open it. I think it's too heavy. I don't know. Maybe it's frozen.
Yeah.
It's probably frozen shut. Never mind. We'll just wait for it to melt. Oh,
Right.
such a mess. Ugh.
Yeah.
Can't wait to get it all back to normal. So cute. Got the shower all clean. The best I could, at least. Now it's time to FlexSeal. So I got that side done, and I still need to do that side and just the rest of it. But just a little comparison. That's before and that's after. It looks a lot cleaner now. So I got those two cubbies done, and now I decided to tape off some of these edges just to make it a little cleaner. Probably gonna paint tomorrow. These turned out a little sloppy, but it's okay.
So I figured out what was the problem with the fan. One of these cords not connected. It's such a relief. This is one of the things that needed to be fixed that was pretty heavy on the shoulders. So all it was just this red and black wire that needed to be connected. What I ended up doing was going outside, unplugging the fuse, because I was going to totally disassemble this entire thing and take off the motherboard, but I was kind of curious, so I plugged in the fuse again, and I heard a beep. So I started coming back up here and I started touching the power button, and that was creating a beep every time I pressed it. I held the hold to set to 78 Fahrenheit and that lit up perfectly. So I raised the vent up about like an inch or so just to get some airflow and see if that would trigger something. So I pressed the power button and the fan started working. It's freaking working! It's blowing air! Ah! Alright, I gotta get out of here.
That's the motherboard that we thought we were gonna have to put in the fan. And now we can return it. It's a beautiful day. It's really like the first day that we've actually wanted to be outside. It's not frigidly cold. Justin is off work today. So we've just been basking in the sun and doing a lot of things outside that we've been putting off. We haven't really been able to do because it's been so cold. Farmer Justin is picking up the weeds. He is hoeing that dirt. We can plant some seeds soon and see what will grow in our little garden. I'm gonna continue with FlexSealing the shower. Let's get to work.
Hey, baby.
Hey, your husband's smelling them.
Oh. Doing some little squirt.
Squirty boos.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, the front looks really good.
So Justin's cleaning with the steam cleaner. We have a few things to check off the checklist. What did we do? We attached the shower head.
We did.
The lights are fixed. We took them to a place to get them fixed because a wire was severed.
It was a faulty wire.
There was a faulty wire and we didn't know which one. So we just paid someone to do it for us. It was like around $300.
Yeah. It would have taken more time for me to be a YouTube electrician.
Yeah.
We got it out of the way.
But now they work. Yeah, and we just have to caulk around it to make it pretty again. And I did the curtains. I just didn't put them up yet because we're not done with the van.
Yeah.
The fan, Justin fixed it because when he took it apart, there was just a wire disconnected, right?
Yeah.
So he just connected it and it was fine.
It was like a plug and play.
Wow.
So I was like, perfect.
Yes!
The AC bearing, we'll see how that is. That might be just need to be cleaned.
When we turn the AC or heat on up here, there's a squeaky noise that's happening there. So we would like to try to fix that if possible.
Yes.
There's another thing we need to fix is the
Fairing.
It's called a fairing.
Yeah, part of the fairing.
Bearing. Okay.
Little plastic piece.
Yeah, this one's kind of coming off too. This one is broken. And we gotta get it in there. Side panels. We got most of everything out of the van into the living room. Empty. The table broke. This part cracked. We just got a whole new board. Justin sanded the edges, rounded off the corners a bit. We just gotta sand this part and then stain it and put all this on there on the bottom, and it's good to go. The weather's been crazy today as usual. It was warm today, like earlier in the morning. And then it started getting cloudy and cold and windy and rainy. It was like summer and then it was winter all on the same day. So now everything's wet outside, so we're trying to work inside a little bit. Justin is transferring from that table to this table. We got it all stained. It is quite dark. It's almost black. We didn't realize it'd be that dark. At least this is the back or the bottom, and the top is a little lighter at least. You can, there's like some difference in the wood grain, but yeah, it's better than the bottom for sure. But we weren't expecting it to be that dark. In the picture, it looks like that.
Yeah. And ta-da!
I don't know.
That's alright. It matches.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
It's gonna be fine. I just wasn't expecting it. And we're not gonna polyurethane it. We're just gonna leave it as it is and see how that goes.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to deal with those fumes, honestly. Already dealing with enough fumes with the stain and the FlexSeal. That's a stain. That's what it was supposed to look like. It's deceiving.
What's van life?
Van life.
Speaking of dark, got a dark van.
Van life. Everybody's crawling out of the woodwork. And this is why it stays in bed mode 90% of the time.
Alright.
Because it's a little hard to put together. But Justin got it pretty easy because he's a man.
Because he's a man. Yeah, that's nice and sturdy. And look at that, actually fit kind of comfortable.
Yeah. Justin's 6'2" and he can almost sit up all the way.
He can. I might be sitting on that side because it starts to steep down.
The van really is short people friendly.
Yeah.
It is not tall people friendly, FYI.
But luckily I could walk through the van without ducking.
Oh yeah. The ceiling is tall.
Yeah. Depends on how my hair gets.
Yay! We can check it off.
Heck yeah. Sweet.
Yay! Okay, it's time to take the tape off the FlexSeal. This is not exactly painter's tape, this brown tape, but I couldn't find the blue tape when I was ready to tape, so I used this. So it's not like a perfect line, but it's a lot cleaner than it would have been. Oh, it's good, good, good. Yeah. Cool. Got all the tape off. The blue painter's tape definitely works better. Getting a straight line. You can see the difference. This is the blue painter's tape. And then this is the brown tape. So you can see it's like spotty. But look at it! So fresh and so clean, clean. A lot better than before with the yellow. I think the caulking just got old and it started turning yellow. There were a few cracked places like here, so I just kind of sealed that off. And there was like a whole crack running across here that I sealed as well. Looking good! I'm really happy with how it looks. Yay! What's next? Got the new tire cover in the mail. We're gonna see if it fits.
And all the deer in the yard. There's about 10 of them.
Oh dear. That one's pooping.
Alright. It's a stretchy material.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's real nice.
Yeah, I mean it looks like that one used to.
Oh yeah. Bottom. Stuff in the bottom that we heat.
It looks like it fits pretty good.
Wow.
Yeah, that fits real good. Like $17?
Yeah, compared to
Amazon.
like 34, 35 at O'Reilly's.
These little touches just really make the van look nicer.
Yeah, brand new. Probably working on this ladder next.
It is looking pretty rough. All the paint is coming off.
Do my best to get most of the flakes off.
Yeah, get it kind of smooth.
Yeah, maybe today take the sander to it. This is all smooth finish, so that's why the paint isn't sticking to it.
Yeah, it wasn't sanded or anything before painting. That's why it's chipping off now.
Oh
Oh no, it's not turning off. Because we're not done with the van. And I'm so glad there's a dog that barks nonstop next to us. This is great. We gotta get those in. Shut up. It's always something, Justin.
Why?
When I lived in Alabama, it was the four-wheelers driving up and down the road. Now it's the dogs.
Don't worry. We're gonna move out.
Yeah.